And hello everyone, welcome back to a new video. Alright, so today's going to be probably a very short one because I'm going to show you all how to use a DBNavigator. Now, when you start with Delphi, you don't need to really navigate the database using code and stuff like that. It's always good for a beginner to first use something other than, code just to get started or just get the basics. So there's a component called DBNavigator. Now, if you have your DBGrid on your form and you place a DBNavigator on it, then all you have to go is you have to go to data source. And here on your DM, the one we created in the previous video, here is your the data source. And basically, remember, this connects this form or this unit with this form. So it's always good to have that data source there. Then you can go to data source and you can connect it to whichever one you want. This data source right here is connected to this DBGrid. And because we're connecting with that data source to this DBGrid, this DBNavigator. So if we run this, then right here, if we go we can move around, we can go back to the top, we can go to the bottom, we can add things here like example, let's say rock, replacement value is 1, and its owner ID we can make that 46. And now that we have added it, it basically stays there. It is now part of the DBGrid. We have a refresh button, and we have a remove. So if we want to remove this, we can just say remove. These two here are mostly to delete or not to delete, to save and stuff like that. For this example, let's edit it. As you click this, it allows you to edit. And let's go someone like use, just to make it sound weirder. If you go like that, it's now saved in the database. So that is all there is to this video, guys. I just wanted to show you all that you can use this to navigate through a DBGrid that has a database inside of it. But we in the next video are going to in the next video, then we're going to just replace this with something else, and we're going to basically make our own, and to insert stuff, to remove stuff, to search, all of that. So this is just to get you started off, and I hope you all enjoyed what you saw, maybe learned something new. Thank you all for watching. I hope you all enjoyed, and see you all in the next video.